Hey guys, welcome to AKB and this is Vishnu. So in this illustration, four friends STUV has invested equivalent amount of money in four different funds. In tune with their attitude to risk, S prefers to pay aggressive and is keep an equity fund. T is moderately aggressive with a desire to invest up to 50% of his one fund in equity, whereas U does not invest anything beyond 20% in equity. We, however, relies more on movement of market and prefers any fund which replicates the market portfolio. Their investment particulars return therefrom and the beta of the fund are given below. So the fund investment return for the year and beta factor has been given. So for money multiplier fund, which is 100% equity, the return will be 23.5 and beta will be 1.8. Balanced growth equity fund, 50% equity, 50% debt would be 16%, which is 1.25. And safe money fund, which is 20% equity and 30% debt, which has a return of 12.5 and the beta will be 0.6. If the market return is 16% and the risk-free return is measured as 7%, which of the four friends were rewarded better per unit of risk taken? Guys, here in this illustration they have given there is four friends with a four behavior, and S has aggressive investment, which is he likes to take risk of 100%, and the risk will be reduced, or the risk taking capacity will be reduced when it comes to S, T, U and V, and their respective share in investment has been given, and then they have given the return of these funds and their beta. Then they have given the market return 16% and the risk-free rate is measured, and then they have required us to find out which person has get the better return, the better risk has been taken. So for that I have made a table which contains 5 columns, particulars and STUV. Then we have the risk-free rate, which is 7% in common. Return would be 23.5, 16.5, 12.5 and 16. Then we have beta 1.8, 1.25, 1.6 and 1. Trial ratio measure. Trial ratio would be RP minus RF divided by beta. So RP would be the return of the portfolio or the return of the security, minus RF would be the risk-free rate, divided by beta of P would be beta, which will be the trial ratio would be 23.5 minus 7 divided by 1.8, which give you 9.16, and 16.5 by minus 7 divided by 1.25 will give you 7.6, and 12.5 minus 7 divided by 0.6 will be give you 9.16, and 16 minus 7 divided by 1 will give you 9. So from this, by analyzing this trial ratio, we can rank it like the highest ratio would be ranked as better capacity. So among these examples, the highest would be the S and U. So S and U would be ranked as 1, and then the next one would be the 9, which is U, and finally T. T would be ranked as 3. So evaluation of both S and U have earned the same return per unit of risk taken, which is more than the market risk is risk of 9%. So from here we can identify that S and U has been outperformed from the market, because market trial ratio is 9%, but S and U has a more than 9% in trial ratio. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you are clear with this example. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe.